Welcome to the Briseño Laundry Company. This is not the laundromat you are used to, not even close. The space was completely rebuilt in a staggering metamorphosis in less than 2 weeks. This down-to-the-wire sprint brings something brand new to Lions. Experience all new machines that are faster, bigger, and cleaner. We invested heavily in advanced Dexter machines, high-capacity drums, and professional-grade care to save you time. With faster washes, you can get in, get out, and reclaim your day. Our machines handle bigger loads, allowing you to consolidate your entire week's laundry into a single go. We built this space for our community, including entertainment with wall-mounted TVs, modern vending machine convenience, and spacious folding stations. We can't wait to see you here. Join us for our grand reopening and free wash day. The ribbon cutting is on Tuesday at 9 a.m. with the Chamber of Commerce. Doors open for free wash day from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can also enter our $200 cash giveaway and win free prizes. Like our page, comment on what you love most or plan to wash, and tag 5 friends or family members to enter the drawing on Tuesday. Come see it for yourself at 115 West Main Street, Lyons, Kansas. We are the Briseño Laundry Company.